Hello and welcome to Prezi. So Prezi is a platform that allows you to create personalized interactive videos, presentations, designs, or explore much more content. So today we're going to be exploring how to make a Prezi presentation. So it leads you to the template page, which gives you many options at choosing a template. They have some categories over here. They also have video templates, and they also allow you to sort templates by color, and you can easily clear the templates. So we'll go to this one and start creating a presentation. So you can choose from many different backgrounds. You can add various titles. I like hummingbirds, so we'll do this. Make a presentation on hummingbirds. Okay. So once you have your background, it's very easy to change different sizes of the font. Make your font bold, make it italic, whatever you need to do. And there's also options up here. You can also upload your own file. If you don't want to change your background anymore, it brings you back over here. You can change your font. Unfortunately, Prezi is not free. It is a monthly subscription. I think prices range anywhere from $5 a month and below that. So it's just really easy to create different topics in your presentation, and it's very easy to present in Prezi because of how accessible everything is to you right here, and there's always an option to go home or to go back. And I really like using this platform when I have to make interactive presentations for class, and it's just really easy to make those presentations come to life and become really interesting for your audience.